There's money in e-commerce. So there is a lot of money in e-commerce. And there's also some frustrations. Okay, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the type of e-commerce business that you should focus on this year if you really want to make some good money. So let's get this straight, right? There is money to be made in e-commerce, and anyone can actually come into this e-commerce and make money. And anyone who's already making money can make more money. That's the truth. Like, it's never saturated. There's never too much people in it. But this video is going to be focused on people who sell to the African market, right? So if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, even if you're outside the continent of Africa, but you sell to the African market, this video is going to be helpful to you. Okay, if you like e-commerce and you like to make more money on e-commerce, you'll find this video helpful. But this video is going to be speaking to three sets of people. The first set are the people, the big boys, the e-commerce big boys and girls, people who have already made money, who are people who know e-commerce in and out. Man, I don't even know what am I going to tell you that you don't already know. But here, no one is an island of knowledge, right? So I'm going to share some information with you in this video that you are going to find helpful. And then the second group of people are those who are already making some money on e-commerce, right? You are making probably, I say, around 200K, 300K, even 500K monthly. Yeah, you are trying, you are making some money. That's okay. I mean, honestly, anyone who is making 500K, 300K a month in Nigeria, and if you don't have responsibility and making that kind of money, you're a big person, right? It's some huge amount of money, actually. Not huge, but it's some good money that can get you started. So I'm going to be speaking to this set of people also who are already making some money. I'm going to show you and share with you exactly what you should be doing henceforth. And then the third group, these are my friends. They are very dear to me. These are people who e-commerce is throwing them left and right. They are confused. They don't know where to start from. They don't even know what to do. They are doing some stuff and it appears as though it's not working. And you're asking, does this thing actually work? Calm down. It works. If it's not working, I will not be here talking to you. We make money from e-commerce. People make money from e-commerce. Young people like you make money from e-commerce. It's not easy for them making this money. So you're not going to find it easy, but I'm here to share with you how to proceed so that you yourself can also, start getting this money and start smiling like every other person that you know doing e-commerce in Nigeria, in Ghana, in other African countries. Okay. Now we are going to start. But first, I would ask you to please give this video a thumbs up, like my video so that more people get to see my video, right? And if you are new to my channel and you'd like to see more of such content, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I publish videos. Let's start. Now after watching this video, you will gain clarity. You will get the right vision, the right focus on what you should do and what you should start doing and how to proceed and how to do them correctly. Okay? So to the first set of people, the big boys in the e-commerce industry, I'll tell you that what you need to do now is to niche down. Okay? This is no more time for you to do hanky-panky. This is not the time for you to, try your hands on different stuff. No, it is time for you to start building a brand. It is time for you to build a brand. It is time for you to start building a legacy, to start building a company, something you can pass down. You cannot pass this hustle down. You cannot pass this e-commerce hustle down. It's not structured. It's not, you need to start putting structures in place. You need to start building business, company, something you can pass down, build a legacy, build a brand, build a name, begin to impact the society at large. Look at our friends like Osas, Saro, right? Fekomi, even these Kola Karabo people. Guys, they are building a name for themselves and people are getting to know them day by day. And they are growing bigger than it was when they were doing normal e-commerce hustle like us. All right? I discovered this earlier, and that was why I started Wine House. I niched into drinks. I started that drinks with I think 3 different drinks or 4 different drinks or thereabout. And along the line, I started meeting other companies, started going for meetings, negotiations, deals, and I started distributing drinks. I started distributing for different other brands and companies. And today, many people know Wine House. All right? Many people know Wine House because We are building a formidable, a strong brand, a global brand. This is not about e-commerce hustle anymore. So, bros, sister, you have money. E-commerce has blessed you. You have made a lot of money from e-commerce. It's time for you to start building a company. Start putting structures and process in place that is going to outlive you. You cannot continue to see. We are getting older, right? You're going to have a larger family. You cannot continue to dwell on this frustration of Facebook ads, this and that. In fact, you cannot continue to depend on Facebook ads and adverts as a matter of fact. When you build a brand and build a solid brand that people love, people will come to you. So you have made money. Start thinking of how to diversify this money, how to put this money to work, build a brand, become a niche guy, niche down, not one store, not one product niche, but one niche e-commerce, like one niche. If you are into health, you know that you're into health. If you are into ladies like diapers, those kind of things, you know they're into that. If you're into babies, ladies, babies are diapers, right? Diapers and stuff, you know that you're into babies. If you're into ladies like pad and stuff like that, you know that this is the area where you are focusing on. If you're into security, you niche into security. That's what one niche e-com store, not one product. So that under that niche, you can sell multiple different interrelated products. That's for the big guys. Now, for the second group of people, my guys, them guys who are making, some good money, 300K, 200K, 500K. It's a good money. Oh. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to tell you that. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that 500K is nothing. Bros, 500K is something. If you give me that money now, I know what it's going to do for me. I know what I'm going. I know where I'm going to put it. It's not like it's not like that money is a very very big money to me personally. No, but I know with the situation of things and with the economy of the country, that money can help a lot of people's life. So if you're making that amount of money, kudos. You are way 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 better than many people. All right. But here's what I will tell you: it is time for you to start thinking of distribution. Work on your distribution so that you can make way more money than you are making now. Work on your what distribution. This is what I mean. For instance, if I test a product and the product is selling well, like if I have a hot product, right? You know what I'm going to do? I am going to buy 100 pieces of that product. Now, I'm not asking you to buy 100 pieces. You may not have the money to do that. I may have the money to do that, right? If I buy 100, I'm not going to share it into 2020. I will send 20 to Abuja, send 20 to Port Harcourt, send 20 to Edo, send 20 to Ibadan, maybe send 20 to Delta or to Kaduna. Just share it 20, 20, 20. Send to Enugu or send to Anambra. Now, this is what's going to happen. I'm sending this to the guys who are going to be doing the warehousing for me. All right? And I have my self-delivery agents across different locations. So when I start running advert and I receive order from Bayelsa, I will call the person in Port Harcourt to send the product to the self-delivery agent in Bayelsa, so that the guy in Bayelsa can pick it up and deliver. Speed, distribution, same day, we pick up and deliver. But imagine that the products are with me in Lagos and I receive order in Bayelsa. I'll start telling the customer that it will take you 2 to 3 to 5 working days to story. By that time, they have changed their mind. They might have bought elsewhere, or they will not even buy, or they will tell you they traveled. You get me? But when you have these structures in place, when the customer calls, you tell them, yes, you can get it today. The person in Port Harcourt sent to Bayelsa, the Bayelsa delivery agent will pick it that day and deliver that day. Swift. You get your money. Work on distribution. Okay, the person in Benin can send it to anybody in Ekpoma, send it to the different areas in Benin, all these areas. The person in Delta in Warri can send to Asaba, send to Abo, send to different places. Okay? That's how it works. That's how it works. Once you work on distribution, you're going to increase the number of sales you make. And the thing about working on distribution is that it is going to lead to two things. You are going to work on your improve on your creative, and invest more on ads. Now you used to do 3,000 naira a day and you have just two ads running. That's you're spending just 6K a day. And probably at the end of that day, you are getting like 5 to 10 orders. Now, if you have five ads running and each of them is 3K, guess how many orders you think you're going to make? You're going to get. It increases your chance of getting more orders. And because you know that you have built distribution, you have capacity to handle the delivery. When the orders come, you can deliver. Yes, that's how it works. When the orders come, you can deliver. So if you're already making money on e-commerce, invest in distribution, find logistics, find self-delivery agents across multiple touch points and build rapport with them. Find some of them who are going to do the warehousing for you. Okay? Invest in creative. Buy the product you want to sell, buy it and make your own video by yourself. Stop looking for videos to download. Stop looking for these videos to download where to use. No, make your video and brand it whichever way you want, but make your own video so that the video will pass the message exactly the way you want the message to be passed. Okay, because sometimes the video is what even sells the market, the way you position your creative. Make your videos, shoot your own pictures or images. If you don't want to buy the products, go to the person selling it, do the video there. They will allow you because you are selling for them. They will be happy to allow you sell for them. So invest in distribution, invest in creative, in clean videos, nice videos that you made by yourself, and also invest in what? Adverts. The more adverts is an investment, the more money you spend on advert, the higher your chances of getting more sales. And then because you have distribution, you have the capacity to deliver. When the orders are coming in, you simply send out to the logistics guys and they deliver it for you, the self-delivery guys. Okay? Now to the third group of people. And yes, this second group of people also, you can start looking at breaking into new markets. Like if you're in Nigeria, you can look at breaking into Ghanaian market to sell to Ghanaians because there's money in Ghana. Hey, we make money from Ghana. There's money in Ghana. If you're also a Ghanaian, you can start looking for ways to break into the Nigerian market. You don't need to come down to Nigeria. You can stay there, find suppliers. The internet is yours. Go to Gigi, you find suppliers, find delivery people, set up your app, target Nigeria. You can do that. If you're in Nigeria, do the same thing as Ghana. Target Ghana, find delivery people, find the sellers, connect those things, do your adverts. Begin to ask people questions, begin to make inquiries because you are looking for ways to break into new market and make more money. Is it going to be easy? No, it's not going to be easy. But it's going to be worth it. Of course, it's going to be worth it because you're going to make money. And that's what is important, make money. Selling good products to people and getting paid, getting the reward. There's joy in it. Now to the third group of people, my friends, my dear friends. These people are special to me because sometimes when I see their messages, I smile. The frustration, you want to give up, you are tired, Facebook ad is knocking you here and there, Facebook is banning your ad accounts, you don't know which one is you don't know if you're going to use conversion or WhatsApp, you are confused and you're asking, does this thing even work? Your ad is not converting. This one, you don't even know exactly what to do. Customers are not picking call. Customers are not even taking the product. You are just frustrated and confused. I understand that. I understand that because I've been through that also. It happens to all of us. In fact, customers till tomorrow, I have orders that customers will not even take. They don't even take calls. In fact, they will tell you that they traveled or that their dog swallowed a new phone or that their goat, the goat fly fence. Stories. But it cannot stop us. We keep pushing. So I'm going to tell you, don't focus on one product. No, try different products. You're just starting. You don't even know which product to sell. Try different products. And if you find any product that is selling, hold it tight. Invest in adverts to sell that product, sell it, and then keep testing other products. Do you know the key? So that you can have up to 2, 3 products that are doing fine for you. That is more money for you. So that if one product begins to misbehave and the ad is not working fine, the other products will be giving you money. All right. So do not be discouraged. You need to invest in adverts, do nice creatives, do your creative by yourself. I always say this. Um, Build rapport with other people in e-commerce. Look at people who are doing e-commerce. Go on Facebook, search for e-commerce. You will see people who have made posts on e-commerce, right? Go through their posts, engage with their content, learn from the comment sections, learn from people's experiences, connect with other e-commerce guys so that you can get information. There are some insider information that you need to start connecting to that are going to help you to your next level and to your breakthrough. Don't just keep to yourself. Don't just stay on your own. Connect with people. The more people you connect with, the more you learn, the better you get. Don't be scared to spend money on ads. Don't see it as a waste. You spend ad 2 days, 3 days, you not convert. Yes, you stop the ad, you start another one. Just keep trying because it's going to work. And when it works, you will forget the frustration. Facebook ban you. Yes, they ban everybody. They ban people, and we keep getting new ad accounts and we keep going forward. We keep moving. They ban your domain, get a new domain, but keep going. I understand it's not easy. It is difficult, it is hard, but we have to keep going. So I want to encourage you to keep going. All right, try different products. Don't depend on one. If you find one that is selling, good. Hold it and look for more. Okay. Now, if you have any question, please, I am in the comment section to answer you. I am here to answer you, right? Ask a question. If you have any contributions, drop it in the comment section. Now, if I have impacted your e-commerce journey in any way, please let me know. Drop in the comment section also. I just want to hear from you and interact with you. So let's meet in the comment section. And see, hot products can be anything. Okay, you can sell in gadgets, in tech, in kitchen products, car, automobile, anything at all, even household. Keep testing different products until you find the one that is giving you results. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. All right. Thank you guys and cheers.